Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine. So let's start now. Today our topic is cheapest homeowners insurance in December 2023. That is our today topic. According to Bankrate Premium Analysis, Array and USAA offers some of the cheapest average home insurance at rates. So let's start now, and there is contents. Compare the cheapest home insurance companies. Based on our research, Array and USSA offers the cheapest average home insurance rates. In the US, Array is ISA regional insurance available in 12 states and Washington DC, while USAA exclusively serve active duty military and veterans and their qualified family members. If neither company is an option for you, you might want to get homeowners insurance quotes. From the order options on our list, auto owners, nationwide travelers, and illustrate. In the table below, you will find the average premium for these 6 cheap home insurance companies to help you started on your shopping journey. And that is their Array monthly premium 80 rupees, $80, annual premium $957, saving and national average 471, and that is a quite you get it. And that is how Blanket picked the cheapest homeowners insurance companies. To find the cheapest home insurance companies, Blanket's insurance editorial team started by obtaining 2023 premium information for the largest homeowners insurance companies by the market shares from Quadrant Information Services. Because we know that many people want to find not just the cheapest but the best home insurance, we also used JD Power customer satisfaction scores and AM Best financial strength rating in our research. Our analysis method allowed us to identify our top picks for the cheapest home insurance companies on the market. To qualify the ranking on this list, the companies had to meet these criteria. First is have an average annual premium below the national average for 250 lakhs 250,000 in dwelling coverage. Second is have a bank rate score of 3.0 or higher. Third is have an AM Best financial strength rating for A plus superior or higher. And last one that be ranked in the 2023 JD Power US home insurance study. And that is a table, and there is contact of the companies. You also find that. Cheapest homeowners insurance companies for different homeowners. Not all homeowners having the same rating metrics, and home insurance rates vary widely based on your individual circumstances. To help you understand that your average rate might be, we have isolated the cheapest companies based on several underlying rating factors. So that is our topic today. I hope you like that. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.